Thutha wa Ndumiriri ya Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto tarĩki 22 mweri-inĩ mũthiru akiuga atĩ bururi ndũgũkorwo na mbura ya Elnino.
Wale watu wamesema tena ile Elnino haitakuweko, wamesema kutakuwa tu na mvua kubwa lakini haitafika pale ya kuharibu. Sisi tunamshukuru Mungu jameni.
Riu Ruhonge rwa urathi wa Riera ni macungite Muhera ni Ndumiriri iyo na riu magikinyiriria ati bururi no guthie na mbere kwamukira mbura ya Elnino.
As initially given in the forecast, we have El Nino in this short rain season 2023, and we do apologize for the lack of communication or miscommunication because that was a big mistake, but we are sorry about that, and moving forward, let's prepare ourselves for the enhanced rainfall as a result of the El Nino phenomenon that we are in at this time. Asanteni.
Ndumiriri-inĩ yake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua ni atariirie ati gukinyiria riu kaunti 19 nicio cihutitio ni mbura ya El Nino na makiria andu ni matete mioyo yao, family cigathamio cikaro-ini ciao ni miyuro ya mai hamwe na barabara guthukangio.
More than 19 counties in ASAL and non-ASAL areas have been adversely affected by the continuing heavy rains. 2 sections of roads have been cut off in counties such as Wajir, Isiolo, Mandera, Marsabit, Tana River, Garissa, among others. This has reduced access via land. Families have been displaced, especially in northern Kenya and downstream in areas like the county of Tana River.
Oho Gachagua ni atariirie ati thirikari ni igite mitaratara mikinyaniru niguo kung'ethanira na mathina ma mbura iyo ari hamwe na uheani wa irio na mai kuri family iria cihutitio, kuiga keheri-ini kigina gia guthaitira maundu ma hinahi, undu umwe na kurutithania wira na honge ingi thirikari niguo gukinyaniria mitaratara iyo.
Through the National Emergency Response Committee that I chair, the government and other partners have taken a raft of measures to reduce the negative impact of the rains, including 1. Deployment of aircrafts by the Kenya Defence Forces.
Riu muingi ni uritio wimenyerere na makiria aria maikaraga hakuhi na njui na iria ciraihura, ona aria maikaraga kuria kugomagirwo ni thina wa kumomoka gwa tiri na makiurio matikagonderere gwitia uteithio wa naihenya thina ungiumira.
With weather projections pointing to a possible prolonged rains up to the first quarter of 2024, we are keen on sharing safety messaging, especially sensitizing of communities living in lowlands and landslide-prone areas to evacuate to safer grounds.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Chege wa Wanjohi.